Hello guys, welcome back again. This is Suresh from his Redemption channel. Today we will discuss about synchronous browser launch in Python Playwright. So there we have two different approaches. One is a synchronous approach, one other one is a asynchronous approach. So we will go with the synchronous approach in this session. The synchronous approach is also called as a linear mode of execution, which is nothing but a line by line execution. When you have a two lines of code, first line will be executed completely entirely, like background operations will be completely done, then only the next operation will be executed, whereas asynchronous operation is quite different when compared to this synchronous approach. And we will see how we can launch the browser. First and foremost thing is we have to import the Playwright packages. So from Playwright dot synchronous API import sync a Playwright. So this we have to do, and then we have to set the context manager. So context manager is important while we launch the browsers. So how we can start? We can start with the with keyword, then sync Playwright as. So as P you can mention, or as a driver you can mention, you can keep any name there to reference the context manager. So in this case I'm just using the P. So as this PyCharm offers a assistive mode where automatically the next line will be predicted using the AI feature, and you can just simply type tap and you can get the content. So here we are not discussing about the headless, we will discuss later on headless. So we are taking a reference of a browser, and then we are using the context manager P dot chromium dot launch. So this will launch the browsers, the chromium browsers, and then after you will have another line called page. So page is used with a browser reference and calling a new page. So new page is something which if I give a real-time example, whenever you're opening any browser, right? So you might be having some history with that browser. But whereas this new page, it's like a private window or incognito window where all the history and the caches will be cleared and you will see only the new browser. So that is the advantage of this line. And the next line is page.go to, then a URL and an application URL you can provide. It's basically something which is like selenium.get. So in a similar manager, page.go to will be acted here. And then after that, you have to do some verification or print something. For that, I will use the print then page title. So it's just a page title after execution. Okay, we are just referencing that. Okay, we are into the browser and we launching that. Then after that, browser dot close. So this we have to provide and save. So this is the simplest way of executing or running the synchronous browser launch. And let me save it and run this program. Now it is running here. We'll wait for 2 more seconds to see the results. So it should print the title of the page, Google. I think there is an error called bound method page dot title. Okay, page dot title. I have to provide this. Save and again run. Now you can see the Google is came. So this is a one approach of synchronous way. Hope you like this small session. In case if you have any questions, queries, you can post in my comment section. I'll help you out. Thank you for watching.